Did you know that houseplants can actually judge you? Hi, I'm Gerald the Pothos, and my owner is a plant serial killer. Every Monday, she drags me to a new corner because apparently I need better lighting. Lady, I've seen every inch of this apartment. The lighting isn't the problem. She'll ignore me for 3 weeks until my leaves start drooping, then suddenly I'm drowning in a tsunami of guilt water. Last Tuesday, she dumped an entire watering can on me while crying about being a bad plant mom. Don't get me started on the misting. She attacks me with that spray bottle like she's performing an exorcism. Now I have fungus. Thanks, Karen. She keeps buying new plants even though she's created a graveyard on her windowsill. Yesterday, she bought a fiddle-leaf fig. I give it 2 weeks. The worst part? She threatens to replace us with fake plants when she has her monthly breakdown. Fake plants, Gerald. The audacity. If you're watching this, Karen, just water us once a week and leave us alone. We're not Instagram props.